Hello, friends. Transporting buffalo to farms is a carefully managed process to ensure the animal's safety and health. Specialized vehicles equipped with ventilation and cushioning are used to minimize stress during transit. In China, over 2 million buffalo are transported annually, primarily to farms in regions like Guangxi and Yunnan, which are renowned for their fertile lands and favorable climate for buffalo rearing. Guangxi boasts the largest buffalo herd in China, with over 1.2 million head, making it a leading hub for both dairy and meat production. This meticulous transportation and farming setup play a key role in the success of buffalo farming in these areas. Buffalo farms in China are a fascinating blend of traditional practices and modern designs, as seen in many farming documentaries. These farms, often spread across hundreds of acres, house herds ranging from 500 to 5,000 buffalo, depending on the scale of operations. Designed with efficiency and animal welfare in mind, they feature open barns with dirt floors, natural ventilation systems, and large grazing pastures to ensure optimal health and productivity. Farmers invest significant resources in land development, with some dedicating over $1 million to infrastructure improvements and advanced feeding systems. And interviews with farm owners reveal their commitment to sustainable practices and innovative approaches, which have propelled buffalo farming into a lucrative industry. Feeding buffaloes on farms is a meticulously planned process to meet their high nutritional demands for optimal growth and productivity. Each adult buffalo consumes an average of 25 to 35 pounds of fresh grass daily, supplemented with 10 to 15 pounds of grains like corn and barley. To boost their health and milk production, farmers often provide mixed feed enriched with essential vitamins and minerals, adding approximately 2 to 3 pounds of supplements per buffalo daily. In total, buffaloes require a balanced diet with a protein content of 12 to 16% and a daily energy intake of around 30 to 40 megajoules. The carefully measured feeding in the farming documentary practices not only ensure the animal's well-being, but also enhance their output, contributing significantly to the success of buffalo farms. Milking a buffalo in a factory setting is a streamlined process that typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes per animal. Modern automated milking systems ensure efficiency and hygiene, making the process much faster and more reliable than traditional methods. As seen in many farming documentaries, these systems are designed to prioritize the health and comfort of the animals. The process begins with cleaning and sanitizing the buffalo's udder to prevent contamination. Once the buffalo is prepared, a milking machine is connected to its udder, using gentle vacuum suction to extract milk in a way that mimics natural feeding. On average, a single buffalo produces 6 to 8 liters of milk per day, and large-scale farms can collect up to 10,000 liters daily from their herds. Experts featured in farming documentaries often highlight the importance of proper udder health. Stress-free environments and strict hygiene protocols during the milking process. Processing buffalo cheese in a factory is an intricate process, often highlighted in farming documentaries, showcasing the transformation of 100 liters of buffalo milk into approximately 10 kilograms of high-quality cheese. The milk, valued for its 8% fat content and 4% protein, is first pasteurized to ensure safety. Enzymes and rennet are added to form curds, which are cut, drained, and shaped into varieties like mozzarella and burrata. Advanced temperature and humidity controls help perfect the aging process, which can range from a few days to several months. This meticulous method produces creamy, flavorful cheese that meets global demand. Buffaloes are typically harvested for meat when they reach 3 to 5 years of age, ensuring optimal body mass for meat production. As seen in farming documentaries, the process begins with a thorough health inspection to ensure the buffalo is disease-free. Once cleared, the buffalo is humanely slaughtered using a controlled method to minimize stress. The carcass is then processed, with cuts like lean meat, fatty meat, and organs being carefully separated. Buffalo meat processing requires skilled experts trained in meat inspection, hygiene, and food safety. Large facilities can process hundreds of buffalo daily, producing up to 100,000 tons of meat annually. China processes over 1.2 million tons of black pork annually, with key regions such as Sichuan, Guangdong, and Hunan leading production thanks to their expertise in blending traditional and modern techniques. As highlighted in many farming documentaries, the meticulous processing of black pork often involves advanced traceability systems to guarantee quality and authenticity. Prized for its marbling and rich flavor, black pork requires slower, more precise processing than regular pork, emphasizing small batch marinating and premium cuts. Advanced technologies like vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging are used alongside traditional methods to preserve the meat's distinctive flavor and extend its shelf life. Unlike regular pork, black pork processing focuses on manual craftsmanship and branding, solidifying its reputation as a luxury product in domestic and global markets. In China, over 154,000 tons of black pork, about 70% of production, is distributed through traditional markets, particularly in regions like Sichuan, Guangdong, and Hunan, where the meat is a local staple. Butchers in these markets emphasize manual processing to maintain freshness and quality, often selling over 1,100 pounds weekly. Consumers value selecting specific cuts, often referencing farming documentaries that highlight the meat's superior marbling and flavor. However, challenges include maintaining hygiene and quality, especially in warmer regions, where limited refrigeration can shorten shelf life. Some butchers report price sensitivity, as black pork is 20 to 30% more expensive than standard pork. Despite this, loyal consumers appreciate its rich taste and cultural significance, ensuring consistent demand. The breeding season of black pigs is carefully managed by Chinese farmers to ensure high-quality offspring and meet the growing demand for their premium meat. Black pigs typically have a longer gestation period of about 114 days, similar to ordinary pigs. But their reproduction rate is lower, with litter sizes averaging 6 to 8 piglets, compared to 10 to 12 in standard breeds. However, black piglets are distinct due to their robust build, darker skin, and higher resistance to diseases, making them more resilient in varying farming conditions. Farmers in the farming documentary often highlight the slower growth rate of black pigs as a trade-off for their superior marbling and flavor. This meticulous breeding process reflects the commitment to maintaining the quality that distinguishes black pork from regular pork. To ensure the sustainable development of black pigs, Chinese farmers are increasingly adopting integrated farming models that integrate crop and livestock farming. On average, farms dedicated to black pigs are 5 to 15 acres in size, with an initial investment of $50,000 to $150,000, depending on the scale and technology used. This model allows farmers to use crop residues as feed, reducing costs while providing a natural diet that enhances the quality of black pork meat. Scientific research has emphasized that black pigs thrive in free-range environments, requiring more space and a more natural habitat to express their foraging behavior, which contributes to the development of lean muscle and marbling. But that does not mean that farms do not develop suitable housing for them. Integrated farming models are quite popular and promote sustainability by recycling waste into organic fertilizer for crops, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. The approach in these farming documentaries helps consumers to choose high-quality and environmentally friendly pork products. In China, black pigs are fed a specially designed diet that includes grains, vegetables, and food industry byproducts, which farmers cook to create a nutritious meal. These pigs are also given regular baths in natural or artificial pools to maintain their health, especially in warmer climates. Bathing helps regulate body temperature and reduces the risk of diseases. Additionally, some farmers organize swimming activities in shallow ponds to support muscle development, a practice that aligns with the natural instincts of black pigs. This unique nutritional and care regimen is highlighted in farming documentaries, showing how such methods contribute to the marbling and flavor of black pork. On average, farmers spend about $5,000 annually on feed and care for each pig, reflecting the investment needed to produce high-quality meat.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.